Nissan's new Roox shows how much personality and practicality can fit into a wagon-style Kai car. This fourth-generation model leans into a roomy times max vision to maximize space and ease of use while keeping the footprint city-friendly and the price approachable. It is expected to start around 1.6 million Japanese yen when sales begin in Japan later this year, and it was scheduled to appear at Nissan's global headquarters gallery in Yokohama from August 23. Developed under NMKV, the Nissan and Mitsubishi joint venture, the Roox blends playful design cues with technology you would usually expect in a larger and pricier vehicle. The exterior introduces a rounded square signature that repeats throughout the car in the headlamps, rear combination lamps, door handles, wheel designs, the seat headrests, and the speedometer graphic. That shape says big and friendly at the same time, and it gives the Roox a distinct face in a crowded segment. Paintwork also gets bolder. A new two-tone theme draws from Karahafu, the flowing gables seen in traditional Japanese architecture, with a color break below the beltline that includes the hood. Fresh hues such as celadon green, cinnamon latte, and cedo blue join the palette. Across the range, there are a total of 17 paint combinations, including 6 two-tone choices, with curated solid colors available on both the top Highway Star grade and the Standard series. Inside, the Breeze concept turns the cabin into a calm and airy living room on wheels. Sightlines are open, storage is abundant, and the touchpoints feel considered. A standout feature is the available 12.3-inch integrated infotainment display, a first for a K car, which anchors the dashboard with crisp graphics and quick responses. NissanConnect with Google built in brings Google Maps, Google Assistant, and Google Play directly into the car, so navigation, voice control, and apps feel familiar. Pair the system with the optional drive recorder, and you can use the new remote photo shot service to check in on your Roox from a smartphone. Space is the Roox's party trick. Interior length stretches to a class-leading 2,315 millimeters, which means 4 adults can sit comfortably without knees knocking. Rear knee room is best in class, and the open floor makes it easy for kids to stand and change when parked. The cargo bay offers a top-of-class length of 675 millimeters and can swallow up to 4 48-liter suitcases, unusually generous for something this compact. Everyday convenience is dialed up in thoughtful ways. The standard rear sliding doors keep their best-in-class 650 millimeter opening, and the tall grab handles borrowed in spirit from the larger Serena make entry and exit smooth for children and older family members. The rear bench slides up to 320 millimeters, so a driver can easily reach a child seat on the far side. A shoulder-mounted one-action lever lets you move the rear seat forward or back from the cargo area when your hands are full. Up front, there are big cup holders, a discreet drawer that neatly hides tissues, a center slide box for phones and wallets, and even a covered cubby behind the meter display for those small items that usually rattle around. Ride comfort and quiet matter in a car designed for family duty. Nissan retuned the engine for better fuel efficiency and lower mechanical noise, then layered in sound insulating sheets and high-performance absorbers around the doors and tires. Seats are upholstered in a soft and stretchy melange fabric that feels like a favorite sofa. The rear cushions were redesigned to distribute weight more evenly and packed with high-density urethane to blunt vibrations over rough pavement. Driver assistance takes a major step as well. The latest Intelligent Around View monitor adds invisible hood view, which stitches a virtual perspective of what is just in front of the bumper and is perfect for tight parking or low obstacles that normally disappear from sight. The system also provides a 3-dimensional view for intuitive situational awareness and a front-wide view that is helpful at blind intersections. ProPILOT is available, and the safety net expands with intelligent emergency, braking that watches for pedestrians and oncoming traffic at intersections, Intelligent blind spot intervention helps steer you away from a vehicle lurking diagonally behind. Intelligent blind spot. Warning alerts you if something is approaching quickly from the rear, and rear cross traffic alert sounds off if a car is passing behind you while reversing. All told, the Roox aims to shift expectations for key cars by combining big car features with smart packaging and friendly pricing. If that is your kind of everyday companion, clever, stylish, and easy to live with, this little Nissan might win your heart. If you enjoy content like this, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss what is coming next.